Hello, I'm Jude Jason Jacob, URK19 CS1129. Today we are going to see the operating system lab. In this, the experiment number 9 we are going to see. The title of the experiment number 9 is 2 level directory file organization techniques. Now we can see we can write a C++ or Python program to simulate the 2 level directory file organization techniques. Now we can see the code for this. This is our code. In this, we are given the directories. This is the thing which we need to create. We are creating an empty array, and we are defining def create. We need to give a name. So we are creating a directory of name, and we need to get the name. So we are getting. So we are using append. Then we need to print directory created to the user to identify the directories created. Now we need to defining create file. We need to give directory name and the file name. So we need to do the following things. We are initializing flag is equal to 0, and we are using for loop. For loop will get the will do the process, and it will give the file name that is created. First, we are giving for I in directories. We are implementing I, and we are using if statement if I of 0 is equal to directory name. If this condition true, it will goes into this thing and it will work. And otherwise, it will leave this if statement and it will go another if statement. In this thing, we are initializing flag is equal to 1, and we are giving I dot append, and we are giving file name. Then we need to print file is created. Then we need to break the loop, and it will enter into the another part. If this condition fails, it will goes into this thing, and it will check flag is equal to 0, and it will print directory not found. Then now we are going to the second part. This is we need to delete the file. So we are writing the code. To delete the file, we need to get the directory name and directory file name. And this we are giving for I in directories. We are giving the if statement. If I of 0 is equal to directory name, if is equal to, it will work on this thing. Otherwise, it will directly go into the next thing. If the condition goes, it will goes into the if statement, and it will check the thing. File name in I of 1, and it will remove the file name, and it will print file name and is deleted. It will give the thing to the user. If the condition fails, it will directly enter to the else part, and it will print file not found. Then we are giving the next defining function. In this, we are searching the file. To search, we need a directory name and file name. We are initializing flag is equal to 0, and we are giving for I in directories. We are giving the for loop. In for, we are checking directory name is equal to I of 0. Given thing and the directory name is equal to means it will goes directly in this thing, and it will proceed this thing. That is flag is equal to 1 we are assigning, and it will check file name in this thing. Then it will print if the condition is true, it will print the file name is found. Otherwise, it will directly enter into the else part, and it will print file not found. There is no terminal, so we are giving the break to terminal from this thing. Then we are giving the next part, that is we need to display. So we are giving display. Before we need to think, we need to go. If this part is get false, it will directly enter into the if statement, and it will check flag is equal to 0, and it will print directory not found. There is nothing in this thing, it will show. Then we need to display the these things. And first created, deleted, and search things we need to display to the user. So we are using the def display function. In this we are giving length of directories is not equal to 0. If this condition, if length of directories is not equal to 0, it will print directory file. Otherwise it will get into the else part and it will show no directories. If the condition proves, it will give the print of I of 0 plus it will give the n, then this will be doing, then it will give the another part, that is print j and the empty space. It will print the directory name, otherwise it will give no directories. Then we are using um, while loop. While loop will be the multiple choice. uh, it will while it true, it will print the directory. First we need to give the user which is the option they need to select. So we are giving the options, then we are getting the input from the user, then we are checking the condition. If n is equal to 1, that is create directory, it will directly create the directory. Otherwise if the given input is true, it will directly enter into the elif part and it will check n is equal to 2 and it will print the directory and file name. Or if this condition also fails, it will check whether the number is 3 and it will delete the file. If there is no file, it will directly say directly not created or deleted. Then if the user give 4, it will search, otherwise it will show it will directory not created. Fifth one is to display. When we give 5, it will display the automatically. Sixth one is exit. If we give the number 6, it will automatically terminate and it will show the console. Everything is finished. Now we can see the output for this. This is my output. First, I give directory 1, choice is 1. It will and it will ask the directory name. I give directory 1. It shows directory created. Then it asks for the another choice. I give 1. It asks for the second directory. I give directory 2. Then it shows directory created. Then again give the choice. I give 2, that is create file. It is created. It asks for the directory, that is directory 1 and file name as EA1. It shows file created. Then another one file also created. Then same like that, another one file also I created. Then I gave 5. 5 is to display the thing. When I give 6, it will automatically terminate and it will show program finished with exit code 0. Thank you.